Racing just is started. We have Senior Cricket. First to show quickness at the start. Delgado moving up on the outside. South Pearl blowing hot in the middle portion. Nabra Telaba comes next. Maribang Snarp then followed by Barkadahan while Enjoy the Flight is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. We have Delgado followed closely by Senior Cricket in second. And on the outside third comes South Pearl. Navratella comes next, moving up, blowing hot. Manibang is racing in sixth, then followed by Barkadahan is Nerp, while Enjoy the Flight is still racing in less. Down the back stretch they travel. We have Delgado by about half length, and in second Senior Cricket. Then here comes Manibang, now moving up to take third. Then on the outside now is blowing hot. South Pearl Nabratelova. Barkadahan comes next. Then comes Enjoy the Flight while Snurp now racing in last 400 meters of the race. Senior Cricket, and on the outside blowing hot. Manibang is not only inside. Barkadahan is racing in fourth. And as they swing for home, we have Senior Cricket by about 2 lengths. And on the outside now is entry number 4 blowing hot. Down on the inside, Manibang, Barkadahan. Last 75 meters, we have entry number 2, Senior Cricket. Second is blowing hot, Manibang. Then comes Barkadahan, Nabratelova, and Enjoy the Flight.
All right, Senior Cricket at the tip ni Coach, 245-637.